In a world full of lifelike avatars, AI-generated special effects, and 12K video, why is everyone stopping their scroll for this? Hi, I'm Paul with Quick Cuts Video. We say it over and over again here. If you're marketing your small business on social media, it's all about catching eyeballs. Today's marketers are taking advantage of all the new AI tools and software out there to make content that attracts those eyeballs. While many do create some impressive scroll-stopping content, they can sometimes go a bit overboard, focusing more on the AI glitz than they do the marketing message. Enter Stickman. There's a reason most people watch Stickman videos to the very end. It's called cognitive ease. Their brains don't have to process things like wild graphics, visual effects, and other fast-paced content such as being posted on the socials nowadays. The sheer simplicity of Stickman videos is what makes them so engaging and effective, holding viewers' attention all the way through the marketing message at the end. Which is a marketer's main goal, right? Let's take a look at a simple sample Stickman video. You could add a voiceover to this sample clip, some music, maybe some sound effects, but be minimal with your use of add-ons as they can distract from what is supposed to be a simplistic marketing delivery. Yes, in this case, less is more. Now, as engaging as Stickman videos are, they're not a great fit for all types of businesses. Would a Stickman video work for marketing a dentist's office? Probably not. A lawyer, maybe? I don't think so. How about a funeral home? No. But there are plenty of business types that could do well to use Stickman videos for at least some of their marketing. And there's one more big reason some small businesses may want to go with Stickman videos for at least some of their marketing campaigns: cost. With Stickman videos, there's no need to hire actors, rent expensive equipment, or spend days shooting and editing the videos. Those are huge cost savings. And speaking of cost savings, there are some really fantastic free tools out there that marketers can use to create as many videos as they desire from start to finish. Grab some stick figures from the free versions of Canva or Pexels. Get cool text-to-speech voiceovers from 11 Labs or Video for free. Need sound effects? Pick those up at no charge from Pixabay and Zapsplat. Then just sit down, roll up your sleeves, and start creating. Or you could just let us make those stick figure videos for you. You see, at Quick Cuts Video, we create custom content and video that won't bust your small business budget. So give us a call and let's talk stick figure video marketing. Hey, that's it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.